International Women's Day reminds us that gender equality remains unfinished, especially for 2SLGBTQIA+ women in Canada. While we've made some progress, there are still plenty of obstacles in areas like workplace discrimination, gender-based violence, and healthcare access. These issues show just how much more needs to be done to ensure everyone, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity, has the chance to succeed. Lesbian and bisexual women often face discrimination at work, which impacts their career opportunities and financial stability. Research shows that lesbian, gay, and bisexual people are more likely to earn less, deal with hiring bias, experience workplace harassment, and face challenges in advancing in their careers compared to their heterosexual peers. Trans women, in particular, deal with higher unemployment rates because of discrimination. To change this, employers need to adopt inclusive hiring practices, enforce stronger anti-discrimination policies, and work towards diversity in leadership roles. Many 2SLGBTQIA+ women face higher rates of gender-based violence than their cisgender heterosexual peers. A 2020 study found that bisexual women are especially vulnerable, with 1 in 6 experiencing violent victimization in the past year. Over 3 times the rate of heterosexual women, lesbian and bisexual women are also more likely to experience intimate partner violence, while trans women face increased risks of violence and harassment, especially in public. To address this, we need to strengthen legal protections, improve access to support services for survivors, and ensure law enforcement is trained to be more inclusive. 2SLGBTQIA+ women still face significant hurdles when it comes to healthcare, whether it's due to a lack of knowledge from healthcare providers, discrimination, or limited access to gender-affirming care. Evidence shows that problems with healthcare access, quality, and inclusivity are widespread and deeply ingrained in the system. Lesbian and bisexual women often experience disparities in cancer screening and mental health outcomes, in part because healthcare systems have not always been equipped to address their specific needs. To make healthcare more accessible, we need to expand training on 2SLGBTQIA+ issues for healthcare providers, improve access to reproductive health services, and ensure gender-affirming care for trans women. Tackling these ongoing issues is crucial if we're going to create a more inclusive environment where everyone, including 2SLGBTQIA+ women, has equal opportunities and protection. We all have a role to play in pushing for policies and initiatives that reflect the diverse experiences of women in Canada. From early pride marches demanding protection from violence and discrimination to today's ongoing advocacy, 2SLGBTQIA+ women have long been at the forefront of pushing for equality in Canada. This International Women's Day, let's commit to challenging exclusionary narrative, to defending bodily autonomy, to advocating for accessible, affirming healthcare free from stigma and political interference, to ensuring queer and trans people are represented in decision-making roles, to confronting gender-based violence, to supporting survivor-centered, trauma-informed services and community-led safety strategies, to celebrating queer joy, creativity as acts of resistance and resilience, and finally to committing to building a world where all women and all genders can live freely, safely, and unapologetically.